In this video, we're going to walk through our last operation within our data manipulation tutorial. We're actually going to look at the opportunity object and showcase how to delete records en masse within our organization. So as you can see, I currently have a file open, which is opportunities, which has actually 1,000 opportunities that we're actually going to import. And then we're going to showcase how to actually delete those records in our org. So as you can see, currently in our org, we have about 31 records of opportunities, and we're going to update that with the records we have within our CSV file. So all I'm going to do is copy, and in this case, we're going to use Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. So I'll just go to data import, and we want to insert these records here. So I'll click paste, and then we'll just skip this expected revenue for now. We'll update stage to stage name, and then we'll just run insert. So as you can see, we have 1,000 succeeded imports, and we'll just navigate to Salesforce so we can take a look at those. So as you can see, our opportunity volume has updated significantly. We have all the opportunities now within our org. So now let's walk through actually deleting these records and showcase the best practices. So number one best practice is to make sure your data is backed up. You don't want to delete data and don't have a way to reference it in the future. First thing you want to do, you actually have multiple options on backing up your data. Two that I like to leverage is either exporting via reports or Data Inspector Reloaded. So Inspector Reloaded, we could just click data export, which is querying. I already have a query ready. It's for example, but in this example, we have the relevant fields that we want to make sure we have backed up from opportunities that were created today, right? And we're ordering by created date. So as you can see, we have all our data here, and then we could just download this to back up the file. But I also show this within reporting as well. So we go into reports, and then if we click, I already have a pre-made report called opportunities created today. And it also has the same kind of format. And as you know, we could export these as well. So that's the number one step, is backing up your data, making sure you have it backed up. And that way, when you delete your records, you have somewhere to reference them in case you need them again. After you've ensured you've backed up your record, you've exported them, and your ever method that you chose, we're going to leverage Salesforce Inspector Reloaded to delete our records, because I want to show how easy that is within this tool. So first thing we want to do is let's go ahead and export the records now. So data export, and in data export, this use case will just need the ID. So when you're deleting records, you only need necessarily the ID from the record. So we want to export ID from opportunities that were created today. We have 1,000 exported. We have 1,000 IDs. I'm just going to download that and say delete ops demo, right, as our file name. And I'm just going to now open that file so we can see the IDs. And here we are. We have the IDs of opportunities, and within Salesforce Inspector Reloaded, as we showed, this method we're going to use delete, right? And we are deleting opportunities. Our batch size is currently set to 200, which is fine. So I'm just going to paste the IDs here. And as you can see, we have 1,000 queued ready to go. And I'll just click run delete. And we have successfully deleted 1,000 opportunity records. Let's verify this by going into our opportunities and showcasing that. We're back to our original 31 records. So for instance, if 1,000 records had some type of data that wasn't expected and we needed to delete those, and we could do those through that method in bulk. So that is data manipulation within Salesforce. We covered several different operations that are available, ways that you could manipulate data within your org. but we just wanted to leverage Salesforce Inspector Reloaded and Data Loader to kind of showcase those. Thank you for taking your time to watch these videos. So within our tutorial, we showcase how to import records, how to update records, and also how to delete records using Salesforce Inspector Reloaded, but also Data Loader as well. These operations are essential when you're working in Salesforce because you need to be able to update or manipulate data in mass in an efficient way. We can also showcase some data transformation and also some best practices as well. So if these tutorials were helpful, please like the video, comment. I appreciate everybody that took the time to take a look into these videos. Thank you. Best regards. Bye.